Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read for you. Virgo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So Virgo, let's see what's going on with your connection, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action can we expect now in this connection? So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue cards and your action cards. All right, and for me, this is person A, this is person B. Virgo, if this is your story, you'll know exactly which side you resonate best with. Virgo and that person. Okay, action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck is the Fool card. Somebody wants to take a leap of faith, wants just have a brand new beginning. I think this is person A. Person A still wants to hold on to the connection, Virgo. They want a reconciliation. Whereas person B is concerned, they don't feel that sure right now because there's been a lot of power struggles in this connection. So before I start this reading, Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Virgo and their person, they could say something to each other. What would that be, spirit? Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person. Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first card I have here, Virgo, for you says, I got a whiff of your scent. It made me smile, remembering you. This could be person A. They're still holding on to the thought that, that we can reconcile or come back together. I'm happy for you. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. I don't feel threatened by the karmic anymore. They're just playing their role. I get defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. I'm not your prince, and you're not my princess. I am your emperor, and you are my empress. And the last one here says, I'm learning that I can still have a great life without you. This could be person B. All right, so Virgo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll get on with the reading. For Virgo, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo. Blessing, guidance, advice, higher education. All right, so there could have been a lesson in this. Whatever's gone on here, somebody needed to learn some kind of a lesson here. You'll have to really think hard about why this person came into your life and what you've really learned from this full episode. So this could be a soulmate, karmic connection. I don't know. Not all karmics are bad, but every person who enters your life who's a soulmate is there to teach you something. So this has changed your life in some way. All right, so for person A, Spirit, why does person A have the Four of Pentacles? Why is the Four of Pentacles here for person A? Person A, they're very attracted to person B still. They are trying now to One second, let me take one more. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles. Ooh, okay. And the Three of Cups. Three of Cups. The Three of Cups. The Ace of Cups wanted to show out. Okay, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. Things could have stagnated temporarily, but this person is trying to, very confused as to how to make this work now. Yes, they want all this baggage to be dropped now. They're still very attracted to person B, that's for sure, but maybe person B is blocking them at the moment. Things have stagnated. The person A is feeling devastated that, you know, things are not moving. They are really confused as to how to kind of have a reconciliation again, because they have a lot of attraction for person B even now. Queen of Wands. They see them as somebody who is dynamic, exciting, beautiful, everything, and they do want to reconcile, it seems. Or if they had too many options in the past, they want to now drop those options. What's this Three of Cups? Yes, you guys are not talking to each other, or person A is feeling that there is no communication between the two of you. They are isolated, they have gone within, they have been thinking, and what they've, I think, figured out is they want to come back. They want to hold on to this connection. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Queen of Pentacles. Either this person could have been married already, they had a wife, they had a home, which they cheated on, or maybe they were asked to commit and they escaped the commitment, or they didn't want to commit at that time. The Devil in reverse. Yes, they could have. Yes, they could have been married. Yes, this person could have been married earlier to this Queen of Pentacles. They are getting rid of a third party. They want to start anew. They want to have a stable, brand new beginning. They want to take a romantic offer to somebody that they really like. They don't want to have a third party anymore. If there was any toxic energy that was coming between the two of you, this person is ready to release it now. But they're a bit confused because I don't think you guys are really talking to each other. They're still trying to find ways and means to reconcile. How does person A now see this connection, Spirit? Page of Cups. They want to come up with an apology. They want to take an apology to person B. They want to have some clear communication with the King of Swords, and they want to heal this connection. Yes, they want to heal this connection between the two of you. They want things to work out again. They want to have some sharp, clean, clear communication. This person wants to take action. Could be a fire sign. This person really is wanting to now come with an apology, heal things, work things out, have that communication. So if you were this Queen of Pentacles who this person maybe didn't acknowledge in the past, they're sorry for that. Or if this was a wife that they had to, you know, break away from, they are in that process, I think. So what action person A is going to take, I'll open later. Virgo, let's go to the other side and see what's happening. Five of Swords. Why is the Five of Swords here? Five of Swords. There was a fight. Yes, person B feels my person was Strength in reverse is clarified by the Strength in reverse. So this person B feels, you know, that my person never really brought any strength to our connection. They were always argumentative. They always made me feel I was not worth it. They were always the Emperor in reverse, never stepped up to the plate, never did the right thing by me. What else? Yes, person B is kind of passed judgment on person A with the Judgment in reverse. Person B feels there is no second chance here. Heart of Hearts, I think person B does see person A as that Ten of Pentacles, somebody they wanted to go the long haul with, but somewhere they are doubting that this can ever happen now. Okay, so why is the Strength card in reverse, Spirit? It came out twice. Why is the Strength card in reverse? Why is the Strength card in reverse? Person B feels that person A was never serious. They feel they played them, they were in it only for the passion, they dipped in and out of my life. I wanted marriage and long term with them, but all they gave me was conflict and made me feel, you know, I was competing, or I was not good enough, and they always were trying to be the boss of me. And yes, person B doesn't have a very good impression about person A at the moment. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. They made a active decision, I think, to block off person A. Am I right, Spirit? Person B blocked off. They made this decision to block off person A. They didn't want to repeat a cycle where they would just be kept waiting forever. They, I think, made a decision to move on and protect themselves and heal their broken heart. Yes, person B, second. They felt I'll be happier. I'll be much happier now that I know the truth. I know that whatever the truth is about person A, now that everything is out in the open, I have to make a decision to keep myself happy. And I think I'm going to now kind of move on to work on myself, be a better version of myself, or be the Empress, take care of my life, and just be happy without them. Right, Spirit? There was, I think secretly they always hoped that, you know, I'll leave it open-ended. There was so much love here. There is a lot of love. Even person B has a lot of love here. They had envisioned this. They had always dreamt of being in this position of being the Empress with person A. This was their ultimate wishes come true or whatever. But I think person B made a decision that I can't do this again. I'll have to block them off. Otherwise, I'll be unhappy, I guess. So now what is person B up to, Spirit? How do they feel about this connection? Page of Swords. See, as much as they've made the decision, I think they're still kind of watching tarot readings maybe, or keeping, trying to find out information about where, what. They're still looking for that clarity. They're still looking for that clarity as to why there is no movement yet. I think Heart of Hearts person B also wants to get unstuck. Oh wow, King of Swords. Yes, they are waiting for person A. Person A had the King of Swords, right? Somebody wants to come and have clear communication. I think person B is also somewhere waiting for this communication to come in, for some clarity to come in as to what, why, when, whatever. So what else, Spirit? One more. Hanged Man in reverse. Yes, till then, I think person B is looking after themselves. They are single, they are independent, they're not with anyone else. They are taking care of being the best version of themselves for themselves till that communication comes through. But they may have blocked off person A till then. So let's see, person A, will you take action now? 8 of Swords in reverse is the action. Why is that, Spirit? 8 of Swords. They want to get out of their mind. They don't want to do this overthinking anymore. So, oh my God. Yeah, this person has been stressed out so badly, my God. Person A has been overthinking, stressed out, tensed out. First and foremost action they want to take is get all these swords away and get out of this stressful environment that they find themselves in. This person is manifesting, I think, a new beginning. So let's see. What's this Magician, Spirit? What are they manifesting? What are they manifesting? What are they manifesting, Spirit? What are they manifesting? They are manifesting a new beginning. Yes, the minute I said new beginning, the Fool card came out. So, yes, they are manifesting a brand new life, except right now they could be keeping it a secret, not really telling anyone because they're afraid of gossip. There could be people around them, or whatever they're ending in their life, there could be gossip around this thing. They're still keeping it a secret, but secretly they are manifesting a brand new beginning for themselves, maybe with person B. So let's see, person B, will you take any action? Chariot in reverse. Why is that? Person B is kind of lost hope now. They've lost hope. They're not taking action, but they are somewhere hoping that this person A is going to come and express their love to them, so that they can come out of feeling this regret and sorrow and feeling bad about their life and looking back at the past and feeling sad, right? So I think even though I think person B has lost hope, I don't think they'll be taking any action per se, but they are kind of waiting for somebody to come and open up or express. Open up. The minute I said open up, now Four of Pentacles is here in reverse. This is opening up. They want this King of Cups to come and express what is in their heart, so they can also come out of their pain. So yes, and brand new beginning is very, very possible. I have the Fool card here twice, but this person A has to now take action. I think right now they are manifesting it, but one more. Person A, will you take action? One more. I have a feeling they feel, I don't know, I think they feel either they have to leave somebody behind, they have to leave somebody out in the cold before they can take action. They want to do the right thing. They want to have equal give and take, or they have to finish something before they can actually have this new beginning. So yes, a new beginning is possible. Till then, next time, love and light. Take care. Namaste.